ang liver, meat. So, we are going punta kami dun sa sa small park na yan. Wow,
Corbin's
may
Head.
cave siya, oh.
The land was
Hindi
given by
bumaba,
Mr.
oh.
Mallock to the council as a gift.
Ilalim nun.
Corbin Head was taken over by the council in March 1907. It had been offered to the town some years earlier, but had not been taken up. Local folklore has it the name Corbin is named after Samuel Corbin, who was hanged there as a result of his piracy to ships around the southwest coastline. This has never been proved, but information about this is sought, and hopefully one day it can be proved or disproved.
Bato siya,
Corbin
hindi siya
Head is close
lupa.
to the town centre of Torquay and is an easy walk from some of the main areas of accommodation.
Pwede siya babaan
There is a
yun, oh.
slipway down to the beach and a short
Yan, oh, may
promenade.
butas doon, oh. Siguro. May access siguro yan.
Malinis dito ang tubig.
Kaya nga eh. Ayan oh, malinaw oh. Wow. At saka yung sis oh. Yan oh, may access doon oh. Kasi may ano eh. Ang ganda. Astig oh. Astig. Doon kami kanina. Yun, doon tayo kanina eh, no? Yun oh, yung ano na yun, yung pantalan. Ah, daan. Oh, ito. Wow. Lapit lang palang park oh. Papait ko talagang pasubo sa lakad. Ganda pala siya pagka-close up. Check natin. May ano yan, may daanan siguro yan dito banda. Oh, ganda. Ayun yung mag-ama oh. Mawid sa tamang daan. Wow. Ha? Ganda. Nakalock. Ayan, open. Try mo, open. Oh. Sige, open mo daw. Tingnan mo lang sa loob.
Scary.
Hindi, open mo lang.
No.
Malinis, oh. Oo. Malinis, bro. Meron pang ano nga, kambyado eh. Bro, ano mo na, naka-neutral naman ito, naka-primera na.
Ay, meron na.
Naka-primera eh.
Anong primera
Yan,
ba?
yun, oh. Oh, may kambyado siya.
Ay, kami.
Wow. Wow, oh, may babaan doon, no? Silipin ko lang ito. Killed on active service at Corin Head, August 11, 1944.
Torquay Home Guard Memorial, Corbin Head. This granite pyramid military monument is situated on the green of Corbin Head. The monument sits in the place of the old artillery gun manned by the Corbin Head Battery in a commanding position overlooking Torbay. At the same time as remembering all of those who served in the Home Guard, it remembers specifically the sacrifice of 1,206 Home Guards who gave their lives throughout Great Britain during World War II, 1939 to 44. Indeed, in this regard, it is designated a national memorial.
Volunteer Army. Okay. 1939-1944 10th Battalion Home Guard. Remember that. Alright. Sure. Wow, so meron pa doon. Hi! Yun yung dagat. Pwedeng babaan.
Corbin Sands is one of Torquay's closest beaches and lies just south of Torre Abbey Sands. It's a sand and shingle beach with a peaceful and relaxed atmosphere, but still with the convenience of being close to the busy town of Torquay. A beach cafe and beach huts can be found here.
Yun doon, pwede ko. Tor!
Hi, Tor. Opposite Tor. Rest.
Hi, Tor! Tor, look at Tito.
First, rest.
Tor. Hi!
Hi. Saan tayo isa?
Yay!
Ayan. Sis. Thor, look at me, Thomas, with daddy. 1, 2, 3, bro. Smile. Ay, kita na ang tit. Ang galing talaga. Ay, naku. Sinubukan na ba ito? Oh, baby. What's his name? What's the name? Get the name. What's his name? Eagle? Ano naman ang daming eagle? Bakit low ka daw 10%? Sabi mo ano, nilagay mo sa compost. Mahal, battery low daw.
Yan na.
10%. Oh, there you go. Oo. Muntik. Thomas, take it. Take it. Go there.
Ito na, sige lang.
Go. Landing.
Eh.